Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you inside the world's most extraordinary homes. Today's tour is truly on another level. Step inside Canada's most expensive home, a breathtaking $212 million mega mansion that redefines luxury, scale, and elite living. This is not just a house. This is a private royal estate designed for the ultra-elite. From the very first moment you arrive, the grandeur is undeniable. A sweeping driveway leads to a palatial entrance surrounded by perfectly manicured gardens, flowing water features, and architectural symmetry that instantly commands attention. The exterior is wrapped in elegant cream and marble tones, blending timeless design with modern luxury. As we step through the massive front doors, you're welcomed into a soaring entrance hall with high ceilings, custom chandeliers, and polished marble floors that reflect natural light from every angle. Every detail here is handcrafted, from the wall textures to the lighting placement, creating an atmosphere of power, prestige, and sophistication. Moving into the main living areas, this mansion features 8 grand living rooms, each designed with a unique theme. These spaces are perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or hosting elite gatherings. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame panoramic mountain views, while custom furniture and soft neutral tones create a calm yet luxurious vibe. The TV lounge takes comfort to the next level, with a cinematic setup, plush seating, and ambient lighting that makes every night feel like a private movie premiere. This is luxury living designed for both style and comfort. Now let's talk about the heart of the home, the kitchens. This estate offers 5 fully equipped designer kitchens, each finished with premium marble countertops, gold accents, top-tier appliances, and spacious layouts. Whether you're hosting a formal dinner or a private family meal, these kitchens are built to perform at the highest level. Adjacent to the kitchens are 5 formal dining halls, designed for large-scale entertaining. Crystal chandeliers, long marble dining tables, and elegant decor make every meal feel like a royal banquet. The private areas of the home are equally impressive. The mansion includes 9 opulent bedrooms, each designed as a luxury suite. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of peace, featuring soft lighting, custom wall panels, walk-in closets, and direct access to stunning views. Every bedroom combines comfort, privacy, and 5-star hotel elegance. The 7 spa-style bathrooms feel more like a luxury wellness retreat. Marble walls, modern bathtubs, rainfall showers, gold fixtures, and warm lighting create a calming, resort-like experience inside your own home. For wellness and lifestyle, this mansion includes 2 state-of-the-art private gyms, fully equipped for professional-level training. There are also 3 executive office spaces, perfect for running businesses from home in complete privacy. Step outside, and the luxury continues. The outdoor areas feature 3 spectacular swimming pools, surrounded by marble pool decks, sun loungers, greenery, and open lounge spaces. Whether it's day or night, these resort-style amenities offer complete relaxation. The landscaped gardens include pergola seating areas, peaceful swing zones, and quiet spaces perfect for reflection or prayer, blending luxury living with tranquility. Car lovers will appreciate the 2 massive luxury garages, designed to showcase high-end vehicles in a clean, premium environment with modern lighting and marble finishes. What truly sets this home apart is its location. Nestled in one of Canada's most exclusive neighborhoods, this estate offers complete privacy, breathtaking mountain views, and a peaceful atmosphere, all while being close to city conveniences. This $212 million mega mansion is a symbol of success, vision, and architectural excellence. Every corner of this home reflects world-class craftsmanship, elite design, and unmatched luxury. If you enjoy exploring the world's finest properties, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for American Dream Mansions, because we bring you the most iconic homes from around the globe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next luxury tour.